My name is Hutton. I want to show you my two new cats. This is one of them. This is Bubba. He's the grumpy one. As you can hear him. Yeah. Like a Mexican standoff right here. Watch. Yeah, this is one of them. His name is Bubba. Other one is 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 Jenny. Her nickname is Miss Hatton because she doesn't like the kids, the new ones. And she doesn't like any other new cats either. Yeah, this Jen, she doesn't fight much. And is shy at this camera. Like you, Miss Hatton. This is her name's Jenny, her nickname is Miss Hatton. Right, okay. The new ones are these ones. This is Meatball. That's the girl. And this one is Spaghetti. Nickname is John. Because it is very special. It likes playing with his tail. And he's gonna mess with Bubba's tail. Watch. I'm getting you, Bubba. Watch. See? Yeah. This is Spaghetti. For some reason they don't like the bright lights. Yeah, watch. See how special he is? This hat? He stands with two legs. Yeah, I want to know what type of cat these are, too. Spaghetti. He's fascinated with tails. Watch. He's trying to get up there, but he can't get up there for some reason. John, come here, Special John. Come here. Oh, don't throw up. Hey, spaghetti. Hey, hold still. Spaghetti. Where's your sister? There she is. Meatball is this one. And the evil one, it's not up there. It's right here. Or as Miss Hatton, again. Get to see her because she's fully black. And the grumpy one, Bubba. Say goodbye, Bubba. I'll take that as a goodbye.